Introducing Facet's 6-inch high-flow elements for fuel-water separation. Qualified to the current edition of EI 1581 Category M Type SLW in horizontal configurations for aviation applications. This dual-stage system removes solids and separates water from Category M fuels. Industry-leading flow rates up to 300 gallons per minute in 33-inch vessels. With a 23% increase in flow over our standard CM coalescers, you get more throughput without increasing vessel size or system footprint, enabling more compact equipment and vehicles. Provides up to 3 times more dirt holding capacity over Type SM options, enabling longer life and fewer changeouts. As dirty wet fuel flows into the CMHF coalescer, the element removes solid contaminants and breaks down even the toughest fuel and water emulsions. The coalescing media captures microscopic water droplets, bringing them together so they grow larger. As droplets grow larger and heavier, gravity pulls them downward, collecting water into the sump at the base of the vessel. At the separator stage, fuel continues to flow while remaining water droplets are blocked by the hydrophobic barrier, preventing them from entering the outlet and going downstream. The vessel is engineered for performance. Swing bolt closures for fast maintenance. Knife edge seals to eliminate bypass risk. Support plates for cartridge stability and performance guarantee. Pressure relief valve and air eliminator ensure safe, reliable operation and maintenance. Designed for mobile applications and approved for use with all Category M fuels. Compliant, high-flow filtration built for demanding environments. Aviation qualified, mission ready.